So that's Tessa over there, and I'm Jess, and we're two 16-year-old girls, and this is our YouTube account, I guess. We probably
Go
see
Rams! Go Rams! Oh wait, we're making a video.
Go Rams!
Go Rams!
Yeah, we go to high school, and our mascot's a ram. We had the pep rally today.
Dennis the Ram.
Yeah, his name's Dennis, and
Dennis.
there's like a dude in a mascot costume. I don't know if it's a dude.
Dennis.
And like, his name is Dennis.
Dennis.
And it comes to our football games, and it like dances with the cheerleaders. The cheerleaders are really obnoxious. Like, I'm not even kidding right now.
They dance just like this.
They dance like that.
And they like, these are their moves, like really. And then they do that like thing.
Yeah, they're not annoying. Like, I have friends that are cheerleaders, but like, pep rally today, seriously, there was so much like hip hop going on, and I like my hip hop sometimes, but like, it was so much. I'm not even kidding. Tessa's trying to juggle right now, and it's not working. She keeps dropping stuff.
I'm a cheerleader.
I'm not coordinated enough to juggle things. You jerk! Anyway, so we're hanging out, and she has a foam finger. I wonder what she does with that at night. That's attractive. Yeah. So, lesson to be learned from this video: don't lose stuff and don't buy foam fingers, cause people do weird stuff with them. And she's freaking out over there, and I don't know what to do.
Buy foam fingers.
Number one. Are you number one, Tessa? I'm number one. You're like SpongeBob. He was number one. He had a soda drink hat, and he like filled it with bubbles, and it was incredibly gay.
Mr. Krabs, a
It was
big
fun.
can.
Yeah, it was really weird, and like I don't know. So, yeah, this is our welcome to YouTube video. That's Tessa over there. She's walking away, and I'm Jess. I'm really weird looking, by the way.
Shut up.
And yeah, we'll see you next video. All right.
We're just
Wave
saying
goodbye.
Hi. We're just saying hi. We don't know what we're doing, so I mean.
Exactly.
This isn't supposed to be like hilarious or anything.
No,
It's just
this is
kinda
like an
just
introduction,
like,
guys.
Hi, we're here.
Hi.
If you
Hi.
want to watch us, then
Like,
watch
yeah.
us. If you don't,
Give us feedback, because if you think we're interesting, we're gonna do more videos and really stupid stuff like.
subscribe early, because it'll get good.
Yeah, we'll
It'll
get
real
good. I promise. All right.
Yeah.
All right, guys.